Alright guys, how's it going? Motor Dragon here again. I'm back on the bike again. As you can see, everything's off, all the plastics are off, everything's off. I have a few little jobs today to do. So one of them, which I said in my last video of doing the when I was doing the headlight stay, or I keep saying headlight, dash stay, that one of the tabs on this side, so that tab, just so now you can see the way there's like a gap, that's actually broken. So I bought a new stay. I am 99% sure this is the right stay. I also bought an assortment of little bits and bobs, like a bolt here, a replacement bolt because it looks shit. I bought 2 replacement screen bolts because they were broken. I bought a bar end for the other side because I'll show it when I take it off, it's completely fucked. And other bits of like bolts and nuts and everything. But I think I was sent some of the wrong stuff, so I was trying to match up a few of the parts. Like I bought, like you can see, I bought loads of stuff, loads of bits, only like half it, but loads of just bits to kind of tidy it up while I can. But I was trying to match them up and I just couldn't find the screws or the actual bolts that match up. So I think I was sent a few of the wrong ones. I was looking back on my order list, and one of the bolts I bought, well 2 of the bolts I bought are apparently from the water pump. Never went near the water pump. I picked up everything for like, so I ordered a bolt for here, which I don't think came. Ordered this bolt, which I think is wrong. I ordered a bolt down for the engine mount bolt, which I think is wrong, and a few other bits that I think are just sent wrong. So hopefully I can get somewhat of a video out, and at least if I can install this, I'll be sorted. I have tripod set up. I also got a tool kit from my dad, and that's why you seen the last video I took all this off and I put it back on. I actually took it all off again, and everything's all in the box here, because today's Monday and Wednesday I'm going to get the plastics looked at, which are in this box here, and nice little dent in my tank looked at. So I want to get those looked at is on Wednesday, so that's why everything's stripped, to make everything just so much easier, and also because I needed to take everything off. So I just said, fuck it, I'm going to strip it all off. So what I'm going to do now is take off headlight or screen, try find a way to put this on, and then I'll do some of the odds and ends, and hopefully I can make somewhat of a video. So again, I have the tripod and everything, everything's set up. I'm going to try do a little time lapse again. Everyone seemed to love that. Also the my headlight removal video is doing fucking amazing. I knew it was going to be a bitch of a job, but it's nice to see that nearly everyone over at this stage, I think like over 620, 630 people, I feel the same way about me and really need this video because it's a bit of a bitch of a job. So yeah, I'm going to set this up, take off the screen, put this on, and then at least be one step closer to somewhat of a nice bike. Alright, so what I'm going to do first is take off all this. Thankfully this is really easy to take off. And also before I get in, you can see the bolt is actually just where it hit the road. It just doesn't look nice. These 2 bolts are fine, they're just a little bit dirty.
Let's go. I'ma make a couple stacks, do exactly what I want to. Mix a couple tracks, get a lady that I'm drawn to. Turn up to the max, get it faded till I'm gone, dude. I do what I want, couldn't stop me if you wanted to. I just work hard, yeah, harder than the rest. Some people say I'm lucky, others saying that I'm blessed, but I keep my head down, cause I...
So this is what I like about it, so everything's back together. I could put the screen on as well if I wanted to, but I don't need to do that. So there is 3 screws just down here by the dash. I think what I'll have to do is take the dash off, and then when I move the dash out of the way, I should be able to take the screws out then. So I'm not going to make this as detailed obviously as the last video because it doesn't really need to be, but you can see the hole kind of there. There's 3 screws, 1, 2, and there's 3 there, which I need to take out, and then there's 3 screws holding on the dash. I didn't actually want to have to plug the dash because everything gets reset, but I'm going to have to do it. And thankfully, with the set that my dad gave me a lend of, it has everything I need to reach down in and get the dash. So I'm going to head and take this off, take that side off, and then we'll go from there.
I crave progress, you ain't never gonna stop me, cause it's my conquest, and I'm never gonna rest. Yeah, and y'all don't know that I'm a soldier. I always felt like I'm alone, yeah. When everybody thinks they know, yeah. And y'all don't even know I own, yeah. already taking over, 'cause every day I'm getting closer. Just look at everything I'll show ya. And now I'm ready, I'ma blow up.
That's all that off. Wasn't really too much to it, but what I need to do now is switch over some of the hardware. So obviously, look, that's what's broke on it. You can see this is the one that broke off. Thankfully this wasn't too expensive, wasn't too cheap either, but I did buy a replacement set of these clips. I'm gonna go ahead and transfer all the hardware over. It's literally just pop these out, pop them in here, take this off and put it in that one there, and then that's pretty much everything. So I'm just going to do that off camera because I don't have a table set up to do that. Okay, so that's all the hardware swapped over. It's not a hard job, it's a bit of a pain in the arse. These little, I don't know, would you just call them like a washer insert? I don't know what you'd actually call them. They're the biggest pain in the hole to get in. They really fucking hurt your fingers because there's little plastic tabs in here that have to be broken. It just kind of holds it in a little bit nicer. So I'm just going to go ahead and basically reattach it.
I'm impatient, I don't ever slow up. I stay young, no, I never grow up. I keep working to the point I throw up. And if you cross me, it was good to know ya. I'm impatient, I don't ever slow up. I stay young, no, I never grow up. I keep working to the point I throw up. And if you cross me, it was good to know ya. Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, I'm not the type to take no for an answer. I don't deal with people that are like a cancer. No, instead I hang with the people that enhance ya. And I'm not the type to give out second chances. I just wanna work on my own for myself. I don't need no help, not anybody else. Nah, man, I got it dealt. I'm working on my wealth and I'm working on my health. Keep on working to excel, 'cause I'm working on myself. Yeah. And y'all don't know that I'm a soldier. I always felt like I'm alone, when everybody...
This is pretty much just all a time lapse. There was people outside, there was a lot of noises, so I didn't record like my voice or anything. And I also forgot to completely end the video because a lot of the stuff wouldn't work. The bolts were different and I tried to get off the bar end and it wouldn't work. So basically what you're looking at now is me taking off the left-hand indicator that was broke and I just swap it out for a new one. So yeah, it's a bit different than all the other ones, but I think the time lapse is pretty good. I like the time lapse, so you can get to see the whole process start to finish. Apart from obviously when I'm like take out the old indicator and all, because I'd done that outside because it was a nice day and it was really hot. So this is my outro, which is not an outro, but anyway, I hope all of you enjoyed the video and time lapse, and hopefully the next one will be a bit different. As I said, I'm getting the bike off now to get repaired, the plastics repaired, so I'll see if I can get some nice photos of before and after and all that stuff, and also a timeline of when it's going to be done. But look, that's the video. Hope all of you enjoyed. Like, comment, subscribe. Talk to you in the next video.